In this video, we will cover how to download the Field Maps app, how to access your maps in the app, how to record features, and how to edit and delete the recorded features. First, you will need to download Field Maps to your device from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you have installed the app, open it and sign in with your ArcGIS Online account. To access your previously created fieldwork map, search for the title and select the map under My Maps. Once on the field, you can record new features by clicking on the plus sign. Select the type of layer you want to record and use your fingers to select the location on the map. Optionally, you can also take a picture of the feature. In this example, I am recording locations of park assets. Once I have captured the location of statues, I use the drop-down list that I have created to select the type of feature recorded. Finally, click on Submit in the upper right-hand corner. A new clickable feature should appear on your map. To record the polygon, click on the plus sign and select New Feature under Polygon Layer. Add the vertices of the polygon by clicking on the Add Point button. Use your fingers to navigate the map. Optionally, take a picture of the captured polygon. Then select the type of feature from the drop-down list. Once finished, click on Submit. You can also record polygon locations by tracing around the object on foot. To do this, add a new polygon feature, click on the three dots and select Start Streaming. Then start walking around the object and click on Stop Streaming once finished. Select the type of polygon feature from the drop-down list and optionally take a photo of the object. Click on Submit to save your recordings. You can edit an already captured polygon by selecting the feature on the map and clicking on the Edit button. After modifying the polygon, click on Submit to save your edit. To delete a feature, simply select it on the map and click on Delete.